I'm unpackaging the 12 pack of flowers, wall decor. These are indoor, outdoor usage for decorating however you would like. They can go on the walls, in your garden. These are gorgeous. Look at how vibrant the colors are. Comes in lots of different shapes and colors. Here's a bigger one. Oh, that one's really pretty. How about that? Look at that. Really great for decoration. And then there's also these hummingbirds and butterflies you can use to make whatever kind of designs you would like. Very vibrant, very high quality. The packaging is great. Every single one is bubble wrapped for protection. Love that. So they're not coming scratched or broken, and really great product.